Jackie.
What? What?
Okay, load the video. Move to the other side.
What? Why?
Because you're the center frame. You want to share? It's recording, you know.
Wait, no, not weird. Maybe a little bit.
Nope, you're weird.
Wait, careful the thingy.
Oh, kept song.
Careful, don't move.
Ah, I know. Come on, BtoBs, where you be at?
Beep beep. I have never heard a song. Haven't you heard
Beep,
it? I don't even know what it's supposed to sound
Oh
like.
my gosh.
720p this, 1080p.
Ow.
Ah! Beep beep. Beep beep.
Hello everyone. Aish. Hello, this is Celina here to do a reaction video for BtoB. So it's not EXO this time. I do like other bands beside EXO. BtoB's newest single called Beep Beep, part of their new mini album. This is my sister, Jacqueline. She will be doing a reaction video with me for BtoB.
Maybe this too.
Okay, ready?
No. Situate myself.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay.
Wait, no.
Oh hey, who's driving?
I'm calling Chelsea.
Or they have an iPhone.
A. Oh, it's so dead. It's a whole cup.
Oh, it looks nice.
Why do they always do this? They always go and buy us first. Oh, hey,
music. I feel you.
Oh, Mr. Manlyman.
Oh, Peña had a line.
Yay!
Oh,
Are you a Chancel boy?
yeah.
You look so good.
I like the song.
Uh-huh.
Ooh, I feel that.
Alright, I see.
Ooh. Oh, I feel it. Oh.
Is the whole mini album out?
Yeah. My ex.
Yay!
Get it, me here. Man, Peña actually has lines.
Ooh, what is wrong with you? No! Need her stop.
He looks really good.
I know!
I really like the song.
Uh-huh.
The chorus is cute. I like the chorus.
Where's Ilun from that?
Ilun?
Oh. In my suit and tie.
Oof. Oof. He looks really good. Oh, okay, okay.
Oh. One looks so good.
I really like
know.
it. You're doing it the opposite way.
Hey, it's mirrored. I like that hair. The red thing going on. There we go. Woo.
Yeah.
Save this for last.
Get it.
Oh. Hit it.
Oh, good clap.
Stop. You need to stop. No. Oh. Ah. Hey. That was cool.
Ah, they got a ticket. Minyo.
Oh my god, that's so cute. Beep beep. I like it. I like it. I feel that.
That was so good.
Beep beep. I missed them. But that means they're promoting right now.
Now we gotta listen to the whole
Have they
mini
performed
album.
live?
I don't know.
I want to see that. I want to see
Let's
that.
see. Let's search it. On Kwame.
I know.
He's like,
He be looking. I know.
get in
Ruben.
it. Get in
Ruben.
it. No, it's Second Confession. No, they haven't.
Oh.
It's next week. It says here next week. Come back.
I am ready. I'm prepared.
Beep, beep, ba, ba. I'm gonna watch it again. Let's watch it again. Okay.
Namu.
Stop. Sorry, we're still in our like episode 12 Extra Showtime phase, and I was gonna do a reaction video to episode 12, but we marathoned it from episode 1 to 12 and stayed up all night, and it was kind of exhausting, but it was worth it for my boys. Yeah, so we're still in that phase. Oh, cap song, caption, no less song. Yeah.
Oh, your reaction video with me.
If you're in the area. I'm in San Diego right now with my sister, but I usually am in Anaheim. I live in Fullerton. And so I always do reaction videos with Koi. You know Koi? And she wants to do reaction videos with me, but I'm not gonna go all the way down.
Actually, no, maybe I shouldn't do that, because, like, you know how I get.
Yeah, you get yeah.
How?
If you want reaction video, okay, she is the best when it comes to like EXO and Tao. Her and Koi, them both, they're just like crazy. They're crazy. Koi does this like jolt thing. Hers is just like
I can't help it.
She does this, and I'm like, Jackie, I'm trying to watch. I can't see anything, and she's all over.
Not my fault. Blame Tao and his perfection. I see you.
You want to see her?
Hey.
Oh my god, I'm gonna show you.
My shine.
Her.
It's not that bad.
It's actually not that bad. Okay, listen.
Don't be hating.
Look at it. Look at it. I gave her this, the Miracles in December one, because it was like my birthday gift for my Christmas gift, and then she has Tao. And she has like,
my friend put it in Oreo cookies.
she does it.
But I'm missing light because I ended up eating him by accident.
Then she has that too, Panda Tao.
Wait, hold up. Look at this.
Holla.
Oh, and I have a Tao pen.
Oh my god, and she has those. Yep, she's legit EXO person. Now look at her shirt.
Oh yeah. This is all courtesy to my friend Erica. Shout out, because she's awesome and she gets me EXO stuff.
Okay. Yeah, and that is basically it. Next time.
Bye.
Cap song.
Chamole song.